Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So starting off, we're going to use the default browser, and we want to click on it and then tap the button right here to show options. Scroll down into the settings, and from settings choose privacy and security. Then you have two options, clear cache and clear history. I'm going to do both of them, so tap on it and confirm it, and the same thing for history, and then you're basically done. There's no more history. And you can also do this same thing for Chrome, wherever the app is itself, which is right here. And if you want to clear that, you can just again tap on this, go into settings, or actually let's go back and go into history. And from history you can delete each individually by tapping on an X, as you can see, or by tapping the button right here on the bottom, clear browsing data, and then choose which one you want to clear, history, cache, cookies and stuff like that. I advise on keeping all of those checked in. And for safeties you can add passwords and autofill data and tap on clear. And now if you go back, everything is gone. So that is basically how you clear browsing data. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.